guys, it's Monica. So I'm on my way to Yi Xing, the southern part of China, which is also my hometown. So you can see from the view that it is so different from either Beijing or Jinan. There are more evergreen trees, and also the temperature is usually higher than the northern part of China. And for tonight, I'm going to have dinner with my parents and also my grandma, so I'm gonna eat a lot. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. And also my new earrings. Our train is 1.5 hours delayed, but we're finally here. We are speaking Yi Xing Hua here, which is like our local dialect.
Local dialect.
Yeah. This is my parents, my daddy, and my mommy. Hello. The local cuisine here focuses more on the natural flavor of the ingredients, and the major cooking techniques are stewing, braising, steaming, and stir frying, which is really different from either Jinan or Beijing. After dinner, we came to Dongjiu. It is really unique Chinese character, and it means bigger than river but smaller than lakes. And the view here is really beautiful. Here is the largest local market in Yi Xing, and my mom is going to cook the homemade dinner, and so we are going to buy some ingredients for tonight.
와, 저 이거 요한 거 있으리 마.
I haven't come back for like 2 years, and I feel like everything have already changed. Wow, it's so amazing to see like all the vendors are in one market. think it's like I'm killing him because I don't know how to ride a
你
bicycle.
别蹬了，下坡了，你加速啊！
Alright, we're going to go back and we decide just to take a walk. Smell the air, so fresh here. It's lunchtime, and my dad told me one of the most useful tips of finding a local restaurant is to see how many local cars are parked in front of the restaurant. And we decided to dine in at this place called 阳泉人家. I already finished eating and we are now at Zhanggongdong, which is really famous tourist destination, also called Zhanggong Cave. I feel so creepy here. Like the caves are connected with each other, but there are more caves.
Inside the caves.
Yes. Yes! We survived! Whew. So tired. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Please leave me a like and also comment below. We are going to Nanjing tomorrow, so there will be more travel video coming. See you guys later. Bye. 欢迎来到尼行，拜。